Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss another type of linked list, that is doubly circular linked list, call it as a DCLL, or we can call it as a circular double linked list, CDLL. So in this video we will discuss how can we represent this doubly circular linked list and what are the operations performed on doubly circular linked list. So this is similar to double linked list. See, CLL is similar to single linked list. Why? Because there is a single link present between the nodes. This CDLL is similar to double linked list. Why? Because double links. Two links are present between the nodes. That's why if you understand this double linked list, then it is easy to understand this circular double linked list. So if you have not seen my previous videos double linked list, you please go and watch this double linked list and then come back to this video circular double linked list. Then it is easy to understand the CDLL. Okay. So now coming to the definition of double linked list. So now it is a collection of nodes. A node consisting of three partitions. A node consists of three partitions or three parts, you can say. Three partitions and two links are present. Between the nodes. See, up to here it is double linked list only. See, collection of nodes. A node consists of three partitions and two links are present between the nodes. It is up to double linked list only, but what is the difference here? So the last node's next pointer is pointing to first node, then first node contains last node's address. See, what does it mean? We will discuss, don't worry. Now, for example, you consider double linked list. Double linked list consisting of three partitions. So, there are three partitions in double linked list. For example, now the data present here are 8, 6, 4, 16. Assume this node address is 100, this is 200, this is 300, this is 400, and this is next pointer. This is a double linked list only. Okay, this is next pointer na 300. I am representing DLL. Students, see, I am representing double linked list only. 4's next, 400, 16's next is null pointer. So now the link is present like this. Now bidirection, this link is also present. That means what? This consisting of the address 300. These four nodes, previous node is 200. So 200. 6 nodes, previous node is 100. So like that. And this is null pointer. Why? Because there is no previous node to 8 node. That's why null pointer, and here it is null pointer. This is double linked list. Whereas in circular double linked list, what will happen here it is, so this is not null and this is also not null. This last node's next pointer is pointing to the first node. That means there is no null pointer, and here it is 100. Okay, and first node's previous is the last node. What is the last node? 400. Here it is 400. So here there is no null pointer. Here there is no null pointer. Why two links? In double linked list, you know, there are two links present between the nodes. One is pointing to previous node and another one is pointing to next node. See, if you have any doubt, you please refer double linked list video. Now, so this, if you this representation is now serial, or you can say it as a DCL. Okay. So last node's next pointer pointing to first node. First node for this previous node is 16. Like that we will represent. Next, what are the operations performed on double linked list? Double circular linked list. So as usual operations: insertion, deletion. Third one is search operation. Okay, so if you understand the previous three, single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list videos, it is very easy to understand this doubly circular linked list insertion operation. Now, how to perform? Suppose a node consisting of 3 partitions. You know, this is a circular double linked list. Like this we will represent. Now the addresses, here it is 100, 200, 300, 8, 6, 16. Now here it is 200, here it is 300. 16's last node is first node, na? This is 100. For 8's previous node is 300. Okay, like that we will represent double linked list. And now I want to perform insertion operation, na? Insert of 10, 3. Third position. This is first position, second position, third position. In third position, we want to insert. How can we insert? Just create a node, allocate memory dynamically. So insert 10. So now see, if we have inserted this node at the end, now this is the last node. This is the last node, means last node's next pointer in DCLL is first node. Okay. So then. So this 10 node is the next node to 16 node. So like this it will represent. And 16 is previous to 10. So that's why we will represent like this. And what is the previous node to 8? Previous node to 8, now here it is 10. So here how many links are modifying? 4 links, either in double linked list or circular double linked list. Okay. So now as usual, how to represent? So 3 partitions, 3 partitions, 3 partitions, 3 partitions, 8, 6, 3 days 16, 10. Now this is the last, like this we will represent. And addresses as it is, this is 100, this is 200, this is 300, this is 400. So as usual 8s, next 200, here it is 300, here it is 400, 10s next is 100, 8s previous is 400. So for 10 node, previous node here it is 300. For 16 node, previous node is 200. For 6 node, previous node is 100. Like that you can perform insertion operation in doubly circular linked list. Now second operation is deletion operation. Deletion operation is nothing but delete a node from doubly circular linked list or DCL. Now doubly circular linked list a node consists of, for example, 3 partitions. Now the elements are 8, 4, 3. There are 2 links present between the nodes. No null pointer. This is pointing to the beginning. It is pointing to the last. Okay. So now some addresses. We have to assume addresses now. 100, 200, 300. Here it is 200, here it is 300, here it is 100, here it is 200, here it is 100. For this previous node is 300. Now I want to perform deletion operation. Okay, now suppose this node I want to delete. How can we represent? Simply for this node, this is the next node. So for this previous node is this one. Simply free the memory of that node. Then the double linked list is here it is 8, 4, 2 links are present. One is 100 and another one is 200. Here it is 200 for this. Here it is 200. So 8 node previous is 200. 4 nodes, next node is 100. That is deletion operation. Here itself I am explaining search operation. How to perform search operation? Search, again here we will apply linear search technique. That means sequentially we will compare. Sequential search. So if you have not seen my linear search video, you please go and see that linear search video and then come back how, then it is easy to understand what is sequential search. Now for example, this is the doubly circular linked list. I want to search for 4. How can we do that? 8 and 4 are compared, both are not equal. 4 and 4 are compared, both are equal. Then simply stop the process. That is doubly circular linked list search operation. I think you understand this doubly circular linked list. So if you have any doubt, don't hesitate to give queries in comment box, and please help me to do more videos by asking questions, and whatever the topics do you want to do for you, please post in the comment box. Thank you students. Have a great day. Bye.